Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem you have or figure out the solution on your GoodRx app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So when app show for you, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here to looking for GoodRx app and can you search for it too. So you click on it like this, then it's going to take you to next step here. Just click here on force stop and you click on OK here. Then you just go down, click here on storage. Then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just go to your Play Store. So you click here on your Play Store here. Then you search for GoodRx. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Just click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.